This question in the Ask Practice series, question by Rahul Verma. This is based on RCs. The question is, when I'm solving RC, should I focus on picking up the questions which I'm comfortable with first and solving, or should I go with a sequence, first, second, third, fourth? My normal suggestion is that if you're not going to solve all the RCs, I mean, normally in the examination, if you don't plan to go through all the RCs in the exam, okay, and you tend to miss out on one or two RCs, then in the sense it makes sense to pick up the topics which you're comfortable with and solve instead of wasting time on a topic which you're not comfortable. That's one way of looking at it. Okay. But if you're going to look at all the RCs in the examination, then I would recommend go in the sequence. That's one way of looking at it. But yes, experiment both the ways and check out. I mean, it's even possible that even if you're not going to all the RCs, you can always select as and when you go with a sequence. So if you read the first RC, you're comfortable with it, solve it. Not comfortable with, skip and go to second RC. You can always do that. And if you're anyway going to solve all the RCs, then you can try both the ways. Solve each RCs as they come, or you can, select first based on the topic you're comfortable with and then decide. So my way of solving is I tend to try to solve all the RCs which come in the exam. That is what I normally do. And because I tend to solve all the RCs that come in the exam, I don't select. I just pick up as and when they go and I solve it. Because what has happened is in the past, for me, I've experienced that there's some RCs which I feel are easy, but the questions are tough. So there is no point picking those up. And other RCs which looks tough, but the questions are simple. Anyway, when I read a passage and if I find it really difficult, then I'll obviously skip and go to next RC. I'll come back to this RC later. But yes, I normally prefer not put in one way, not wasting the time in the start. Instead of that, utilize the 3 or 4 minutes in trying to solve the RCs as and when you go. That is what I prefer. But the good thing in all situations is to experiment. See what is comfortable. You have enough time to experiment, so do experiment. You can experiment in a section test, try to see if that works with you. If that works, great, go ahead with it. If that doesn't work, then change the strategy. I'm sure it will work. Okay. So understand enough time to experiment and keep experimenting till you find what works for you, what doesn't work for you. Hope that sense. Thank you.